Lucid Motors wants to build a new factory, and we got more info for the rumors of CCIV and Lucid Motors merge. What's up guys, it's BigFinance here, and today we'll be talking about CCIV, one of the most talked about stocks online. And all I gotta say is that it's looking really good. I got some rumors for you for the CCIV and Lucid Motors merge, as well as updates on Lucid Motors. As well guys, don't forget to join my Discord server, first link in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button, as that will help out the channel a lot. Also, please remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything I talk about in today's video and every other video should be researched. So guys, the most talked about rumor right now is Lucid Motors want to build another factory for building their cars near Jeddah, which is as well near Saudi wealth funds. This is very important news, as if Saudi wealth funds is negotiating with Lucid Motors to build a factory there, that could be a possible hint towards a merge. They as well own 67% stake in Lucid Motors. So not only do we want to see Lucid Motors blow up, so CCIV as well goes up, they as well want to see Lucid Motors go up. And since Saudi Wealth Fund owns CCIV, this merge is just looking really good. But there are rumors that it is going to be delayed because of the factory building, and they're going to negotiate about building it first before they talk about a merge plan. But what Lucid Motors says they want to do is be public, get the funds by April. And the only way how they can do that is going through a SPAC. It's almost impossible, if it is possible at all, to go public by April privately. Just go by yourselves. So I see a SPAC being very helpful, and they need these funds to start building these factories. And right now, Saudi Wealth Fund just wants to give them the money and have them build up a factory here. So I could see that CCIV and Lucid Motors merge. It's looking so much better every single day. True, there was a big dip today, but we will talk about that later today about why that happened. So guys, let's talk about CCIV today market and how it was going. At the start of today, literally 1 minute after 4 a.m. when pre-market opened, it was already up at $28 a share. That was amazing to look at. Just looking at the history of that today, that was amazing. But then, as notable, it had a pullback because it going from 26 all the way to $28, about $2 difference from aftermarket to before market. It trickled back down to about $26 a share, went up and down, sometimes hit the low 25s, but very rare. This was the first major dip, but it was just as soon as pre-market opened for Robinhood, so tons of shares were sold off there. And then here was the start of the market. Then it went up a little bit more, and then right here, this was the first and only major drop today. So right here was when there was tons of rumors talking about it being delayed, which I don't know why, because we never really had that much information on this being confirmed until they talk about saying how negotiations were delayed. I don't know how this made it drop really. Like, I could see some people wanting this for the short term and not long term, but they almost basically confirm it. They almost confirmed it by saying that negotiations are going to be delayed. So that almost proves that they are negotiating about it. True, these are rumors, but still, there are multiple articles talking about how these are being delayed. I don't see really a reason for the sell-off. When it dipped down here, I thought about buying some shares, but decided not to. Very poor mistake, I gotta say. I thought it was going to dip a little bit more, but spiked right back up. Not that surprised. And then it has trickled its way back up, gone up to 25.50 as its high, and then stayed about level out for the rest of the day, which is very healthy. Right here, this was the very interesting moment as tons of shares were sold, as you see down here. But then more towards the end of the day, leveled out, came more calm. I bought some more shares, bought about 10 shares a while just now, about right here at about $25 a share, so not bad. And then as well, so if they do come out and talk about like the day that they come out and confirm the merger, I have a price target for CCIV at $30 a share. I say that's probably where it's going to hit. It could possibly and probably easily go higher than this. because just more rumors are coming out. It could reach this before they even confirm that a merge will happen. And then up here, this is my lowest price target for CCIV on the day of the merge is 35. I say this could actually be around $45 since this company is about the size of Neo. So I could see this being way higher, but as the low end, I see 35 be a pretty good price target for CCIV the day they do the merge, and then 30 the day they announced it. So we'll see about a $5 difference between these two minimum, I say, most likely. But still, do your research, look into it, make sure that you do agree with this or you think it's different. If you do, leave a comment down below. I will read everything. But before I go, I would like to know your thoughts on CCIV and where you stand in it. Please leave that down in the comments. As well, please remember that this video was made for entertainment purposes, and anything that was recommended in this video should have heavy research done on it. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching, and see ya.